If you are a class 10th ICC student, then this video is for you, where I'll tell you in less than 60 seconds the main themes of The Power of Music by Sukumar Ray. First one is the power and performativity of music. So the poem, it highlights the ability of music to capture attention and evoke strong reactions. Now, this doesn't only apply to melodious music, but even when the music is highly unpleasant. Okay, so Bhishmlochan's singing, though described as disruptive, it is powerful enough to be heard from Delhi to Burma. Now, this shows the music's ability to travel and impact a wide audience. The next one is irony, where there is contrast in the expectations of the positive effects of music and the chaos and destruction caused by Bhishma's singing. So the title of the poem suggests a celebration of music's beneficial effects. Remember the power of music? But the poem, it presents a completely different, more chaotic reality. Next is art and society. So the poem explores the relationship between art and society in a very subtle way. Even though Bhishma's singing is disruptive, it brings people together, and obviously in the state of confusion and panic. Next is resilience and beauty. So even though Bhishma's singing had disruptive effects on the people and society on the whole, but it highlights his passion, his determination for singing. So the poem implies that even in the chaos, there is value in pursuing beauty and expressing oneself. Along with it, the poem also suggests that even when music causes disruption, the pursuit of artistic expression, like Bhishma's singing, can be a source of resilience and inspiration. Next is universal reach. So the poem highlights that even when the music is performed locally, it can have a widespread impact. Okay, this particular quality suggests the universal nature of the influence of music. Next is restoration of order. So the intervention by the billy goat represents the restoration of order and silencing of disruptive forces. Suggests that there is a natural corrective mechanism that gradually cuts down chaos. For line by line explanation of the poem, visit my channel Beauty of Language. And for the notes of the poems, visit my website beautyoflanguage.in.